I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Cash App account has been hacked, it can be stressful, but there are steps you can take to recover your funds. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Secure your account. Immediately change your Cash App password to prevent further unauthorized access. Go to the profile icon, select Privacy and Security, and then tap on Change Password. Step 2. Report the fraud. Contact Cash App support to report the unauthorized transaction. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon, selecting Support, and then report a payment issue. Step 3. Check your transaction history. Review your transaction history for any unauthorized charges. This will help you provide specific details to Cash App support. Go to the Activity tab to view all transactions. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code sent to your phone when logging in. Go to Privacy and Security to find this option. Step 5. Follow up on your claim. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Recovering funds from a hacked account can take time, but following these steps will help you get back on track. Stay vigilant and keep your account secure.